Old man mechanic here. See this beautiful, nice Lincoln Continental Thunderbird mirror on my Ford LTD? I custom installed it and it fits, except for this problem. See how the glass just jiggles? Yet the cables are all tight and not broken. I found out what it is. There's this little, what I call a T-pawl. See, it's rounded on either end, little posts. And then this post that I'm holding goes down into the mirror, the aluminum plate that's on the back of the glass. That slides down into it. And then these two ends go into this metal bracket. Well, this is die cast and it'll bend and these ends bow downward. And then your glass is loose. So I tried to glue it and I straightened it and naturally an ear broke off because it's die cast. So I tried to glue it and I thought while I was waiting, that looks like the size of a nail. So I went and I took a common nail and I made the crossways piece the right length, and then the other piece of the nail I cut off fits down into the mirror. See where the point comes out, where you hammer the point of the nail? So I cut it off and put that piece in there, and then the crossways piece, and then to make this where you can actually get it loose from these two screws in the back, you put an instrument in the adjuster to push the spring down to make these cables loose enough to undo the screws. So then I took the mirror and polished it on my polishing wheel to make it shiny and beautiful. We can't let that junkyard man get away with selling a dull, pitted, broken mirror that the adjuster doesn't work. So we're going to repair it and see how it goes. Let me put it back together and see if it works. It's bound to work better than it did. Okay, here's the results. Yes, it wiggles left and right. That can't be helped. I noticed the writing at the top. Somebody replaced this glass. That's why it's loose, because they worked on it. Maybe. Now, on the adjuster, when you adjust it, it adjusts now. And it's tight. But in the downward position, if you want it to go down more, you might have to help it or get your passenger to help you. Kind of give it a little kick. But as you can see, the idea did work. You just have to be real gentle with your adjuster, because if you kick it up too high, it didn't want to return. See, there it goes. So it worked. Little old man repair shop here. Because have you seen the $500 and $600 price they get for new ones of these? This applies to LTDs, Cadillacs probably. I hadn't done one of them. But a common nail, and in a few minutes I was able to repair it. It's not perfect, but at least you can actually adjust it now and it'll stay tight in its position.